We talked about how the founder of the Bon religion, Tonpa Shenrab, has three main appearances in art. He has the original, this peaceful appearance, where he's youthful, wearing jewelry, seated in a cross-legged posture. We also have Nampar Gyalwa, where he's blue or green in color, wearing peaceful ornaments, and having the right arm raised, and also in a blue or a green color, some kind of dark color. Then the third form is Tritsuk Gyalwa. Tritsuk Gyalwa is where he appears in the same manner as in Buddhism a Buddha appears. So with the Ushnisha on the crown of the head, the marks of a Buddha, the elongated earlobes, and the monastic attire. So these are the three main forms. But then we have a set of six different forms of Tonpa Shenrab called the Dulwa Shendruk, and this is the six teachers of discipline. And these are six different appearances that can appear in the six different realms of our worldly existence. Then we have something called the Choga Chuni, the 12 ritual deities. And these are 12 meditational forms that Tonpa Shenrab takes on that are really based on coming out of his life story, coming out of the Zermik and the Zichi, the two of the later texts of his biography, based on revealed treasure. So these are some of the other forms, but not found as often in art, and not necessarily using the name Tonpa Shenrab. They will use the meditational name for that deity, even though it's an emanation of Tonpa Shenrab. Now, in terms of what are the special characteristics, as Tritsuk Gyalwa wearing the monastic robes, then sometimes Tonpa Shenrab will actually be wearing a lotus hat as part of his monastic attire. As the peaceful deity or as the Buddha-like appearance, he can be holding a Yungdrung scepter in the right hand. So the left hand would be placed in the lap in a kind of meditation gesture, and the right hand extended across the knee, holding a scepter with a Yungdrung on either side. Now, a Yungdrung is the same shape as the swastika in Sanskrit. And this is a special scepter that's associated with Tonpa Shenrab. Now, historically, we don't have this in reality. What we do is we really have this in art. It's more abstract. But in modern times, you can actually find a physical Yungdrung scepter, but this really appears to be a very modern, really a 19th and 20th century concept. Now, also, Tonpa Shenrab can be associated with three other deities and in peaceful appearance, and he can be holding a staff which is standing upright, standing vertical, and on the top of the staff is also a Yungdrung. So the Yungdrung is a repeated symbol that not only represents the Bon religion, but also represents Tonpa Shenrab. Now, another thing that you will find with the Buddha form of Tonpa Shenrab is, instead of in Buddhism where you have the right hand over left in a seated meditation posture, in the Bon religion it will be left hand over right. And this is a clue that this figure is actually Tonpa Shenrab and not Amitabha Buddha or Shakyamuni Buddha. So these are just a few of the characteristics of Tonpa Shenrab.